cosmic vacuum cleaners. Prepare to have your mind sucked in. Black holes. Just the name sounds scary, right? They're like the cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking up everything in their path. Not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape their grasp. Talk about a bad hair day. Imagine a giant cosmic drain swirling and sucking in everything around it. That's kind of what a black hole is like, except way more mysterious and fascinating. These gravitational monsters are some of the most extreme objects in the universe. They warp space and time, creating mind-boggling phenomena that challenge our understanding of physics. So buckle up, space cadets, as we embark on a journey to explore the wacky and wonderful world of black holes. Event horizon, where reality takes a holiday. This is where the laws of physics as we know them seem to take a break. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a black hole? How do they form? Well, black holes are born from the remnants of massive stars that have ended their life cycles. And why should we care about something that seems so far away and, well, black? These cosmic phenomena hold the secrets to understanding the universe. Imagine a giant ball in space. This ball is not just any ball, it's a collapsed star with an incredibly dense core. This ball is so massive and its gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. It's like a cosmic vacuum cleaner. The boundary around this ball is called the event horizon. It's the edge of the black hole. Think of the event horizon as a point of no return. Once you cross this boundary, you're in the black hole's grasp. Once you cross it, there's no coming back. You'd be pulled into the black hole's depths. You'd be trapped forever, stretched and squeezed like cosmic spaghetti. This process is known as spaghettification. Don't worry, it's a very long way to the nearest black hole. They're not lurking around every corner. But here's the funny part. We can't actually see a black hole directly. They are invisible to our eyes. It's like trying to look at a black cat in a dark room. You know it's there, but you can't see it. We can only observe their effects on nearby stars and gas. These interactions give us clues about their presence and behavior. Stellar, Supermassive, and Oh So Hungry, a black hole variety show. Black holes come in different sizes, like cosmic donuts with varying levels of donuteness. Okay, that's a terrible analogy, but you get the point. There are stellar mass black holes, which are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. Think of a star 10 times heavier than our sun squeezed into a space smaller than New York City. Then there are the supermassive black holes, the true behemoths of the universe. These monsters lurk at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Imagine a black hole millions or even billions of times heavier than our sun. That's like comparing a donut to a giant asteroid, except way more delicious, way massive. Galactic architects, black holes, the ultimate city planners. These enigmatic entities are not just the stuff of science fiction. They play a crucial role in the grand design of the universe. Now, you might think black holes are just cosmic bullies, gobbling up everything in sight. Indeed, their voracious appetite for matter is legendary, consuming stars, gas, and even light itself. But they're also surprisingly good at building things, like galaxies. These seemingly destructive forces are actually the architects of some of the most beautiful structures in the cosmos. Think of a black hole as a giant cosmic anchor, holding everything together. Their immense gravitational pull acts as a stabilizing force, keeping stars and other celestial bodies in their orbits. Their immense gravity pulls in gas and stars, creating the swirling disks of matter that we see as galaxies. These disks are not just random collections of matter, they are the building blocks of the universe. It's like a cosmic dance, with the black hole leading the way and the stars and gas swirling around it. This dance is a delicate balance of forces, creating a harmonious and dynamic system. And just like a good dance floor, a well-fed black hole can really get the party started. The more matter it consumes, the more vibrant and active the surrounding galaxy becomes. So while black holes might seem like destructive forces, they're also essential for the formation and evolution of galaxies like our own. Without them, the universe would be a much less interesting place. It's a delicate balance between creation and destruction, all orchestrated by these cosmic architects. They are the ultimate city planners of the universe, shaping the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand. Section 5. In the beginning, when black holes and galaxies first hung out, let's rewind the cosmic clock to the early universe, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Back then, the universe was a wild and chaotic place, filled with swirling gas and dust. The first stars were born from this primordial soup, some of them massive enough to collapse into black holes when they died. These early black holes were like seeds, attracting more and more matter and growing larger over time. As these black holes grew, they began to influence their surroundings, pulling in gas and stars and forming the first proto-galaxies. It was a cosmic free-for-all, with black holes and galaxies growing up together in a chaotic but beautiful dance. Section 6. Black Hole Buffet, all you can eat and never escape from. Now let's talk about how black holes grow. It's not a pretty sight, but it's definitely fascinating. Remember that event horizon we talked about earlier? That's where the real action happens. As gas and dust spiral towards a black hole, they heat up to millions of degrees, releasing enormous amounts of energy in the form of radiation. It's like a cosmic buffet, with the black hole as the ultimate gourmand, devouring everything in sight. But here's the catch. Black holes can be messy eaters. As they gobble up matter, they can also spit out jets of high-energy particles at near the speed of light. These jets can stretch for millions of light years across space, like cosmic burps after a particularly satisfying meal. Section 7. Feedback black hole's way of saying I'm full, but way more dramatic. Now, you might think black holes could just keep eating forever, growing larger and larger until they consume the entire universe. It's a terrifying thought, right? An insatiable cosmic monster devouring everything in its path. But that's not how it works. Black holes have a fascinating way of regulating themselves. Black holes have a built-in feedback mechanism that prevents them from getting too big. This mechanism is like a safety valve in the universe. It's like a cosmic thermostat, regulating the growth of black holes and their host galaxies. This ensures that the balance of the cosmos is maintained. As a black hole feasts on surrounding gas and stars, it releases enormous amounts of energy. This energy is not just a byproduct, it plays a crucial role in the black hole's diet. This energy heats up the surrounding gas, preventing it from collapsing and forming new stars. It's like the black hole is sending out a warning signal to the universe. It's like the black hole is saying, "Hey, I'm full, no more food for me." This self-regulation is both fascinating and essential. This feedback mechanism plays a crucial role in shaping the evolution of galaxies. Without it, galaxies could look very different from what we see today. It explains why some galaxies are still forming stars while others are quiet and dormant. The interplay between black holes and their galaxies is a dance of cosmic proportions, ensuring the universe remains a dynamic and ever-changing place.
So, we've talked a lot about black holes, but how do we actually know they exist? After all, they're invisible, right? Well, not exactly. While we can't see black holes directly, we can observe their effects on their surroundings. Astronomers have observed stars orbiting incredibly fast around invisible objects at the centers of galaxies. These observations, combined with our understanding of gravity, provide strong evidence for the existence of black holes. It's like seeing the shadow of a cat, even if you can't see the cat itself. And in 2019, astronomers captured the first ever image of a black hole's shadow, providing the most direct evidence yet for their existence. It was a groundbreaking discovery, proving that these cosmic monsters are not just theoretical constructs, but real objects in our universe.
Speaking of black holes, did you know that we have a supermassive one right in our own backyard? That's right. Lurking at the center of the Milky Way is Sagittarius A asterisk, a black hole about 4 million times heavier than our sun. Don't worry, it's about 26,000 light-years away, so we're perfectly safe. It's like having a giant, invisible pet dragon living in our cosmic neighborhood. Just don't get too close. Astronomers are constantly studying Sagittarius A asterisk to learn more about black holes and their role in galaxy evolution. It's like having a front-row seat to one of the most fascinating shows in the universe.
Even though we've learned a lot about black holes, there's still so much we don't know. What happens inside a black hole? Do they lead to other universes? Can we harness their energy? These are just a few of the many mysteries surrounding black holes. But that's what makes them so exciting. They challenge our understanding of the universe and push the boundaries of human knowledge. As technology advances, we can expect even more groundbreaking discoveries in the field of black hole research. Who knows what other secrets these cosmic enigmas hold? One thing's for sure, The future of black hole science is bright, or perhaps I should say incredibly dark and mysterious.
So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the wacky and wonderful world of black holes. They're cosmic vacuum cleaners, galactic architects, and keepers of some of the universe's deepest secrets. While they might seem like destructive forces, black holes are an essential part of the cosmic tapestry, shaping the evolution of galaxies and influencing the fate of the universe itself. They're a reminder that the universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonder and surprises. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that hidden among the stars are these invisible behemoths, warping space and time, and reminding us that the universe is far stranger and more awesome than we could ever imagine.